10 classic cars, all under 10,000 bucks. Some run, some need love. All have stories. If you're hunting a real project car without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Number 1. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Landau Edition. $9,000, New Mexico. All right, folks, we're kicking things off with a true American luxury classic, a 1963 Ford Thunderbird Landau Edition. This one is sitting in New Mexico with a firm asking price of $9,000 and a clean title. Under that long hood, you get the legendary 390 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Back in '63, this was top-of-the-line grand touring luxury, and this car still carries a lot of that vibe. It's got working air conditioning, power steering, and power windows, which was pretty fancy equipment for the early '60s. The seller added some modern touches like 18-inch Detroit steel wheels, fresh tires with less than 500 miles, a Kenwood stereo in ceramic window tint. Now here's the honest part. The car runs, but it isn't road-ready yet. It needs carburetor work, a new gasket, some tuning, and the water pump leaks. The good news? A brand new water pump and exhaust gasket already come with the car. So what you're looking at is a classy old T-Bird that's close, but needs a weekend mechanic to bring it back to full cruising status. Number 2. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. $6,300, Nevada. Sticking with Thunderbirds, here's another one, but this time it's more of a true hands-on project. This car is located in Mesquite, Nevada with an asking price of $6,300, firm. It's got 153,000 miles on the clock, the same 390 V8 in a 3-speed automatic. The seller describes it as a restoration in early progress, and the big plus here is the body is reported to be solid with no rust issues. That's huge. Interior has already been stripped out to start the restoration. The original AC system has been removed, and a lot of trim pieces are off the car, but they're included. So this is the kind of classic you buy when you want to do it your way from the ground up. Number 3. 1963 Dodge Dart 170, $10,000. Now we jump brands and head over to Mopar territory. This is a 1963 Dodge Dart 170, powered by the famous 225 Slant 6 engine, one of the most reliable motors Chrysler ever built. The current owner has had it since 2017 and used it as a local surf cruiser. It's been garage capped and kept mostly original. You get the cool push-button Torque Flight automatic, original aqua paint, and even the original 1960s black license plates if you want that period-correct look. This isn't a hot rod, it's more of a survivor cruiser, the kind of car you drive to Cars and Coffee and just enjoy as is. Number 4. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $7,500, California. Here's a car a lot of you have probably been waiting for, a 1965 Ford Mustang. And the big headline here, it runs and drives. Price is $7,500 firm, and the seller makes it very clear, no trades, no low offers. This one has the 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission showing 51,000 miles, built in San Jose, still wearing its original honey gold polycolor. It's partially restored with a rebuilt motor, new front seats, Flowmaster exhaust, new 4-wheel disc brakes, new tires. Yes, it has rust. Yes, it needs bodywork, but the floors are solid, and it's a running early Mustang for under $8,000, and that's getting harder to find every year. Number 5. 1968 AMC Rebel with a V8 and automatic transmission. Not a car you see every day, which is exactly what makes it cool. The seller says it runs and drives, but needs some TLC. Clean title, just over 19,000 miles showing. If you want to show up at a car meet with something that isn't another Camaro or Mustang, this AMC could be a very fun project.
Number 6. 1964 AMC Rambler American for $4,000, New Mexico. Now here's a true budget classic, a 1964 AMC Rambler American for just $4,000. It's powered by a straight 6 that's already been rebuilt, paired with a classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Seller says everything works and even includes a radio ready to install. This is old school, simple, basic transportation from the 60s, and at this price, it's one of the most affordable entries into the classic car hobby. Number 7. 1964 Mercury Monterey, $6,500, Arizona. Big, bold, full-size American iron. This is a 1964 Mercury Monterey Breezeway, famous for that reverse slant rear window. 54,000 miles, automatic transmission, clean title. Seller says it runs, has new tires, and is being sold as is. These cars float down the road like a couch on wheels. Perfect Sunday cruiser. Number 8. 1964 Ford Ranchero, $5,000, Nevada. Here's a neat little project truck. A 1964 Ford Ranchero with a 200 inline-6 and C4 automatic. It has new front tires and a new battery, but has been sitting for a while and currently isn't running. Seller expects to have it running soon. Clean title, and they might even trade for a small camper. Great platform for a shop truck or mild custom build. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $3,500, California. One of the cheapest cars on today's list. A 1963 Corvair Monza for only $3,500. New carpet, rebuilt carbs, new gas tank, and it actually runs and drives. It even comes with a brand new convertible top that still needs to be installed. If you want a classic on a tight budget, this one's hard to beat. Number 10. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair 4-door, $4,000, Arizona. And we close things out with another Corvair. This one is a 1965 model with a 110 horsepower engine and automatic transmission. Seller says it runs and drives, has mostly original interior, good tires, working instruments, and even new LED headlights. It needs paint and some minor oil leak repairs, but overall it's...
So there you go. 10 real classic cars, all under 10 grand, all with potential. Some need a little work, some need a lot, but every one of them to be a great garage project. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I've got more classic project cars coming your way soon.